Hello and welcome to your IELTS review video. In today's episode we're talking about working abroad. So let's get started. What is the best way to learn a foreign culture? You could say the best way to learn about foreign culture is to immerse oneself in its customs and interact with local people. To gain a deep understanding of a foreign culture, the most effective approach involves immersing oneself in the traditions and actively engage with a local community. Do you agree that reading is the best way to know about culture? I agree that reading plays a significant role in learning about different cultures, but personal experiences and interactions are also crucial. While reading can provide valuable insight into various cultures, a comprehensive understanding is better achieved through a combination of reading, first-hand experiences, and interactions. What are the difficulties that might face people while working abroad? Working abroad often encounters challenges such as language barriers, cultural differences, and feelings of isolation. Individuals working in foreign countries might grapple with obstacles such as language barriers, adjusting to different cultural norms that experience a sense of isolation from their familiar environment. What is the biggest challenge of working in a foreign country? One of the biggest challenges of working in a foreign country is adapting to the local work culture and practices. Among the major challenges faced by those working in foreign countries, adjusting to the unique work culture and practices of the host nation stands out. What can be done to make people more interested in other cultures? Encouraging cultural exchange programs, promoting intercultural dialogues, and sharing personal experiences can spark greater interest in other cultures. To foster increased curiosity about diverse cultures, initiatives such as cultural exchange programs, facilitating intercultural dialogues, and sharing personal narratives can be effective. Do you think people from different cultures will understand each other better in the future? I believe that increased global connectivity and communication, people from different cultures have the potential to understand each other better in the future. Given the growing interconnectedness of the world and improved cross-cultural communication, there is a likelihood that individuals from various cultures will comprehend each other more effectively in the future. Do you agree that you cannot fully understand the local way of life in some countries if you visit as a tourist? Yes, I agree that being a tourist may offer a limited understanding of the local way of life, as tourists often experience a curated version of the culture. Or, absolutely, the perspective gained as a tourist is often surface level and curated, which can lead to an incomplete understanding of the intricate aspects of the local way of life in a foreign country. Okay, that's all the questions. Next up is our reading passage. Please read along, as it's intended to give you more insight into the topic at hand. The world is a mosaic of cultures, languages, and traditions. Exploring these multifaceted aspects not only enriches our perspective, but also enhances our ability to engage meaningfully with others. A key driver of cross-cultural understanding is recognizing and appreciating the intricate layers that make up each culture's identity. Despite the interconnectedness facilitated by technology, cultural barriers can still hinder true understanding. Language barriers, misconceptions, and stereotypes can distort perceptions and hinder genuine interactions. Miscommunication, often stemming from cultural nuances, can lead to misunderstandings. This understanding is particularly crucial in workplaces, educational institutions, and international deployments, where effective communication is essential. Cross-cultural understanding offers numerous benefits. It fosters empathy, breaks down stereotypes, and promotes harmony among diverse groups. While the advantages are evident, cross-cultural interaction is not without its challenges. Navigating cultural differences, adapting to various communication styles, and overcoming biases require effort and open-mindedness. Cultural sensitivity is imperative to prevent misunderstandings and conflicts. Education plays a pivotal role in nurturing cross-cultural understanding. Curricula that incorporate global perspectives, cultural exchange programs, and language learning contribute to a broader worldview. By exposing students to different cultures, educational institutions lay the foundation for empathy and open dialogue. To cultivate cross-cultural understanding, individuals and societies must commit to ongoing learning and dialogue, engaging in authentic interactions with people from diverse backgrounds, embracing different viewpoints, and questioning biases are steps towards breaking down cultural barriers. As we strive to build bridges across cultures, we strengthen our bonds and unified humanity. In a world characterized by diversity and interconnectedness, cross-cultural understanding is not just a luxury, but a necessity. Embracing diverse cultures and fostering meaningful interactions can lead to a more harmonious global community. Okay, I hope you found that passage insightful. Next up is our range of vocabulary expressions. Take a look. Mosaic of cultures, multifaceted aspects, cultural identity, cultural heritage, embrace diversity, cultural nuances, language barriers, misconceptions, stereotypes and biases, distorted perceptions, overcome biases and navigating differences, fosters empathy, breaks down stereotypes, promotes harmony, enhances communication, mutual respect and cultural enrichment, adapting to communication styles, cultural sensitivity, respect for differences, addressing misconceptions and avoid misunderstandings. Language proficiency, global perspectives, cultural exchange, exposure to diversity, authentic interactions, meaningful conversations, embracing viewpoints, open-mindedness, breaking cultural barriers, bridging cultural divides, unified humanity, harmonious coexistence, appreciating diversity, celebrating cultures, engaging with different perspectives, cultural acceptance, sensitivity to cultural values, cultural respect, creating connections, empathetic communication, cultural awareness, cultural competence, avoid cultural faux pas, understanding customs and traditions, adapting to new environments. And lastly, we have our paraphrasing exercises. Take a look at these questions, statements, and descriptions, and try to put in some into your own words. We have our paraphrasing questions, our paraphrasing statements, and our paraphrasing descriptions. I'll leave you to it. As always, thank you for listening. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.